guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is my monthly Floerns video, and I have got 6 new pieces for the upcoming month, 2 of which I've already tried on, and 4 more to go. If you're new here, Floerns is a clothing line on Amazon. They sell really cute, inexpensive, trendy pieces with a wide variety of genres of clothing. So you can go from cowgirl to 90s stripper like that. Anyways, I'm really excited about today's video. I've already seen the 2 pieces and tried them on, and they are fantastic. I cannot wait to get into the rest of them, and we're gonna do this together. So let's get into it. So first up is this little crop top. Is a shirt. It's connected in the middle with this fun little metal piece. It is actually so cute, so flattering on, and I really like that it's long sleeve, especially since we're going into the cooler months, even though here in Florida it's still like 80, 90 degrees. Works so great for the climate that I live in. Be sure to stay tuned to the end because I will do a try on portion and show you how these clothes look on. Next up is a red hot dress. So freaking cute, so gorgeous on, and the color is stunning. This does also come in, I think, a blue and a yellow, if I'm not mistaken. It's almost got like a sweetheart neckline. We've got really wide straps around for the shoulders, and then you have this almost like a halter tie. It kind of reminds me of like a swim top string, you know, like the string bikinis. And so it almost appears like you're wearing a swimsuit underneath it, but you're really not. Anyways, it's still really, really cute on. I like how it has almost a two-tone from the top portion to the rest of the dress. And the ruching in the middle, making the bust line extremely flattering. Now, she is pretty short. She's not as short as some things that I've gotten from Floerns, but she's right on up there. She's pretty short. Also, it is double lined, so that's a good thing. I always really hate it when clothing companies don't add the double line. It just gives that extra layer of like support and comfortableness whenever you are out in public. Now getting into the rest of the pieces. Okay, so this is a dress. Very modest dress. Look at the pearl embellishments. Oh, so classy. Okay, so we have a little slit on the left thigh. And then we have more pearl embellishments all along the bottom. How adorable is that? And then we have a zipper at the back. Pretty sure it's gonna hit my knees. And I'm pretty sure I got everything in a medium. I don't remember exactly. I will clarify in the description. Moving on to the next item. I already know what this is, obviously, because I can see through it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, look, it's a, okay, so this is a sweater vest with a floral detail. Is that embroidered? That's not embroidered. It's like, I don't even know what that is. It's like just sewn on. How cool. And then you've got like this 3D flower detail. This is going to be so fun. Y'all, I'm telling you, we're still rocking and rolling 80, 90 degree weather. So this is the kind of stuff that kind of helps us in warmer climates like transition into the cooler months, which probably won't hit for another 2 months. Moving on to the next piece. I'm so excited about this one. I love polka dots. I think they are just so cute and fun and classy. I don't wear them a ton. Where is the top? Okay, here we go. Now, it's almost like a button down, only there are no buttons. It is tied together with 2 ties. And then at the, this is gonna look like a hot mess until I try it on. Just hang with me. At the top of the 2 ties, there is another tie. There is another tie that like helps hold it together. It is very flowy. We have an extra flowy collar around the neck, and the sleeves are pretty wide with a ruffle along the wrist. I'm pretty sure this comes in other colors as well. Again, I will have it linked below if polka dot is not your jam, but I think this would be so cute. Just throw a little cami underneath it. So fun, so cute. Pair of jeans, maybe do a loafer, maybe do a sneaker, maybe do a boot. fun. Options are endless. This is one that I was really looking forward to. Oh, I hope it fits. Okay, so this is a halter top, but look at it. It looks like a corset. How cute is that? Oh my gosh, I hope it fits. Okay, let me put this around. And it's coming off really red on camera. It's not that red. It's more of a like wine red. Oh, it looks like it might be too small. Oh, I hope it fits. Okay, but it does have a zipper that goes all the way down. There's a little stretch, but not a ton. Oh no, if it doesn't fit, I'm gonna be so sad. Here's the back. Again, it has the slightest little bit of elasticity to it. Not much. If this doesn't fit, I'm gonna be so brokenhearted. This is so beautiful. And the material feels really good too. It feels like really nice and thick. I'm so excited for this. And that is it for today's video. I am going to go into the other room, set up my camera, and try these clothes on for you so that you can see what they look like for reference purposes only. I am roughly 160. I know I've been saying 150 and I haven't weighed myself in 6 months, but I am roughly 160. I weighed the other day and it was 160.3. So 5'5", 160. B bus, 36 B bus. Yeah, and I think that's about it. I normally wear a size medium large depending on the garment. But yeah, just keep those things in mind whenever you're watching the try on portion. If you are interested in anything, have any questions, please, you can email me, you can message me, you can comment on the video. If you don't want to comment on the video, just send me a private message. I will answer the questions the best of my ability. And with all of that being said, let's get into it.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive, and no, I won't be acting nice. So baby, go and start a fight. I'm in love with the city lights. Look, I'm enough of a big star. I got my girls and I got my cars. Come on here, baby, be a buzz. Do whatever you want. Unlock your shop. We're about to pop. Whatever I do, not up to you. We gotta shut it up. La la la. Let's stop, won't stop. Unlock your shop. Whatever you do, not up to you. We gotta shut it up. Today I found out what I want. It's everything I've never had. It's been a lifetime feeling sad, feeling sorry for the things that might make you mad. But I'm back, who's back, bitch? You ain't even sorry. All you do is make people around you damn worried. I know it might sound just a little bit corny. Now I know where I stand. Don't even have a plan. Unlock your shop. We're about to pop. Whatever I do, not up to you. We gotta shut it up. La la la. Let's stop, won't stop. Unlock your shop. Whatever you do, not up to you. We gotta shut it up. Just like glue, you'll be someone's too. It's time for you. Just do whatever you want. Unlock your shop.